Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we'll learn how to export our video and you can then post it to the class. So with your final comp selected, make sure that it shows everything that you want and that at the very end it doesn't get cut off like this. So I'm going to actually move in this comp work area just a bit so that at the end it still is on the screen. And then go up to Composition, Add to Render Queue. This will open up your render queue. And typically I just use the H.264 setting. So there's this little drop down button next to lossless for H.264. If you don't have H.264, sometimes on Windows you won't have H.264, just click that text, the lossless text, and use like a QuickTime format. If you change this format to QuickTime and then you go to Format Options, you can go to Video Codec. I use H.264. You can use Apple ProRes if you have that. You can use MPEG. You can use MP4 if you have that. I would suggest using H.264 because that is a high quality video with a low file size. Make sure that your audio output is set to on or auto. If you do have audio and it's on auto, it will export your audio with your video. And then click OK. And then where it says output to, click on that text. This will open up a dialog box asking where you want to save it to. I'll call this intro video 2 and just click save and choose where you want to save it. Then click render and it will render it out. And once it has rendered out, it will open up, or it will be in your Finder or your documents. So on a computer, go to your computer documents. For me, I'm going to my Finder and I can find it in this Kinetic Typography folder. I have my original one here, and depending on how fast your computer is, it will take longer or shorter to export your Kinetic Typography videos from After Effects. But here I have my final version. It has the texture, it has the wiggle, it has all kinds of cool stuff that makes this a very cool video. Thanks so much for watching this. The next thing you should do is take this video, post it on YouTube or Vimeo, and then share it with the class so that the rest of us can see. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next videos.